One of the most powerful features of the Nexthink platform is that of engage, the ability to take user sentiment and to find out, regardless of the technical metrics, what the users are actually feeling. A typical engage campaign, such as one I've designed here, can ask any questions in any format. So in this instance, I've chosen to target my remote workers to ask them how they're currently finding their experience working remotely. If I preview this, this is what the user will experience. An unobtrusive pop-up appears, and they can walk through this pop-up or cancel it for later, answering the questions through radio buttons, through checkboxes, and even through a free text field. As soon as that's finished, that data will get sent to the Nexthink platform, and we can mix it with the technical data. Let's have a look at an example. Here's a campaign that's been sent out daily to remote workers to find their user sentiment when it comes to their remote working experience. As we can see, we're somewhat or very satisfied. On the 10th of March, everything's looking fine. Everything was fine on the 11th of March and on the 12th. On the 13th of March, things change. Here we can see that the applications are unstable and users are saying they're not able to work remotely. Let's have a look where. So if we go through, it seems that most of these are in Europe, and most of these are then in Switzerland, and most of these appear to be from Lausanne. From there, we can jump quickly to the Finder to look at the detail. And in the Finder, we can see people are reporting that they are very dissatisfied with their experience and they've got unstable applications. Because there was a text box in there as well, we can actually add that in to see if they added any comments in for us. So I'll just add up here, just add remote and issues optional text. And then we can see, if I sort there, it looks like Teams is causing a problem. Let's see if we can turn that into some technical data. So I'm going to select these users and do a very quick drill down to the events and see if they actually did have any execution errors. Sure enough, we've got some technical events. We've got executable crashes from teams.exe. We're going to need to go and get the Office 365 team to look into that. And in the meantime, we better let the users know that there's a problem on the environment. So I can head back to Engage and send out a service outage campaign, which would quickly let those users know that there's a problem with MS Teams. We're aware and we're looking on it. So the user is kept informed, they don't feel frustrated, and we can use the mix of sentiment and technical data to address the problem.